What's up, squadrons? What's up, squadrettes? It's your girl, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be eating some chicken roti, and I'm really starved. And how are you guys doing today? I hope you're having a fabulous week. I've been having a fabulous week. I got my water on deck, my cup of ice, and I'm really starving. And I asked for just chicken in this roti today with vegetables, and I got plantains in it too. I didn't want any potatoes. I don't feel like eating all that starch, if you know what I'm saying. Yes, because before I know what the summer be here, and I want to be looking snatched, you know what I'm saying? Because I do like to look cute. I do like to look cute. Anyway, shout out to all my family and friends that have been giving me so much love in my trying time, and I just appreciate you all. And let me get into this video. Oh, you know, I gotta take the gum out. I just love me some gum, don't I? Now, but that's good. I'm gonna stop that. I feel like you guys can see me. Can y'all see me? Okay. Hey, I can see y'all. So yeah, I got me some vegetable and some chicken up in here. I'm just gonna enjoy it. I'm in a restaurant and they got on Trump's counsel speaking up for him because you know they want to impeach him. What do y'all think about that? You think he should stay, go, stay, go? It is what it is. I feel like if he made his bed, he needs to lie in it. But that's just my opinion. Anywho. I'm starving. I do like to chew bones, especially when they're juicy. Oh, that's good. That's a fuck. Okay. He's gonna put more gravy in here though. Well, it's at the bottom. I like it wet. I mean, the roti. This is good. This is so good. I took me a long walk today. I just was strolling. I bumped into this Jamaican restaurant I always used to come to when I lived in this area. I thought, let me go back in. It's still just as delicious. I don't want that. I want the meat and the veg. The meat and the veg. Shout out to all the YouTubers out there. Shout out to everybody living their best life. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and press that notification for more post notifications. You will be seeing me more. Excuse me, handling some things. But I'm trying to be up here as much as possible because I really do dig being up here with you guys. So, I'm just so excited because me and my sister are closer than ever before. And it feels so good to have that relationship with her. She like really rocks. And my little cute ass nephew, he's so cute. I'm special. I'm happy I'm an auntie again. I really am. And he's so good too. He like my middle daughter was. He don't even cry, nothing. He's awesome. I'm awesome. This tastes really good. It's not too spicy. Not under seasoned. It's really, really, really good. I'm really enjoying it. I wish I could share some with you guys. It's so good. I'm about to dance. You know how I be getting no good food. I'm making a mess. Curry staining up everything. Excuse me. Ooh, excuse me. Ooh. It's that good. Hairs all in my mouth. It's so, so good. Oh. Nothing like water. Nothing like water. I was going to get a Gatorade at first, but I changed my mind, even though I like Gatorades and stuff like that, but I think I like water more. Matter of fact, I know I like water more. It's not, I think, I know. Now I feel like I'm getting itis. I'm getting sleepy. Oh, I heard my ear scratched it or something. Let me go. Excuse me. I'm about to go meet up with my sister now. Spend some time with honey baby. So I can smell him. He got that new smell. He smells so good. Best smell ever. That is so good. So good. Well, again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta get ready to go out of here. It was a joy, as usual. I'll be back with some more videos. And thank you guys again. Squadrons, squadrettes, I appreciate you. All day, every day. And I'm out.